if I go to the level, you can see that I have one over the other one. So what can I do if I want to create a corner mullion? Well, I could create like my own profile, which will be just for the corner, but it will be usable only in one instance. And if I like change the angle here like this, I would have to recreate it or parameterize it or just change it. So for these situations, Revit has actually built in 4 types of curtain wall mullions, which are corner ones. How you can create them is by selecting both of these corner mullions or mullions that are at the end or at the meeting point of the curtain walls. Unpin them. And now if I go to my type selector, you see that I can change it to, let's say, L mullion. I will delete this, and now it looks something like this. So this is my corner mullion. For the L one, if I go to my type properties again, I have a thickness, which is this, offset, the same thing applies, and then leg 1 and leg 2, and these are the distances of these leg 1 and leg 2. So if I change this to, let's say, 50, you can see that it's making the leg shorter. And the other one as well. So we can modify the appearance of this L curtain wall mullion on these curtain walls joints. The next one is the quad mullion. Looks something like this. The difference between the quad and the L1 is in the fact that the L1 has always the same width here, or the depth. But the quad mullion, actually, if you go here in the properties, they have a depth 1 and depth 2, which can be different. So if I go with 200, you can see I have 200 here and I have 150 here. So that's the difference between the quad mullions and the L-shaped mullions. Okay. Now the next one is the trapezoid mullion. Looks something like this. In 3D, it's this. Here the parameters are, again, offset, depth, which is this one, and the center width, which is measured from the position of the center line, which is, you can see it here, from the middle to the middle, and this one is 300. So if I change this value in the trapezoid one, let's go back here. If I change this to, let's say, 200, you can see that now if I measure the same distance here, from the middle to the middle, now it is 200. And the last one is the V-shaped corner mullion. It looks like this. It has different parameters, thickness, which in this instance is the thickness here. Let's go like 20, you see it looks like this. And the leg 1, leg 2, let's go to 250. Looks something like this. So 150, 150. This is my V-shaped mullion. And the best thing about these system type mullions, or system type corner mullions, is that if I now change this angle, I will go more like shorter, so you will be better able to see it. You can see that if I change now, it is recalculating and changing it automatically, so I do not have to worry about it and create my custom corner mullion for myself.